Let's be honest, doing your laundry at home is about as appealing as sitting in rush hour traffic. Here are 3 reasons to use ZIPS Wash and Fold service, aka laundry for grown-ups who have had enough. I'm Kathleen the Clean Queen, here with some quick tips from ZIPS. Number 1, your laundry room is a black hole. You put in socks, shirts, and good intentions, and somehow only get back 1 damp sock and a shirt that smells like it lost a fight with a gym bag. With Wash and Fold, your clothes come back clean and folded like they were handled by a laundry ninja. Number 2, folding is a trap. You tell yourself, I'll fold it later. 3 days later, you're dressing out of a laundry basket full of wrinkles and regrets. Am I right? Wash and Fold skips the guilt and the pile of shame. Your clothes come back folded so neatly, you'll feel like you live in a Pinterest board. Number 3, you deserve to outsource your chaos. You outsource your pizza, you outsource your taxes. Why not outsource the one chore that multiplies like rabbits? Let someone else deal with the detergent, the dryer sheets, and the existential dread of matching your socks. You've got better things to do, like literally anything else. Click like and subscribe to get more tips from ZIPS, and to look your best for less, get to ZIPS quick.